Thanks, bud. Toothless! Toothless! Hang on, bud!
That was great.
No! We need weapons. Got one. Let go. What? Call dibs. Now give me. Open the tail with your foot.
I'm opening the tail.
That's my legs, Dad.
We took it from a rider.
The skinny one with the squeaky voice and the metal leg and the tousled brown hair.
Okay, yeah. Well, I was just browsing, so, no problem.
Let's go. Clearly none of these are for sale.
I'm keeping an eye on you, Mr. Night Fury. My good eye.
Wait, are you telling me you have a bad eye?
Wait, are you telling me you have a bad leg? Thought so.
And the weirdness continues.
Ugh. I just wish there was some way to make them leave us alone.
Wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Come on. No.
Only outdone by the missing leg trick.
Yeah, that's been done to death. Gotta keep it above the waist these days.
Hiccup. What a show off.
What are you doing? Wait. No! No!
Weren't expecting the old metal leg, were you?
You did say all the metal, right, Hiccup?
What? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What about his leg? That's made of metal.
Not what